Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Meditation, Loving Kindness. As always, please choose your preferred comfortable seated position, either on the floor, as I am with my legs crossed, or within a chair with back support, whichever you prefer. And if you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. And I want you to take time to reflect on each phrase that we state, bringing our attention to our breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Please keep in mind that we want to take time to really reflect on each phrase that we repeat. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be happy. And may I live with ease. Now taking a moment to think of someone we would like to send love and happiness to. You can say their name, or you can say him or her, whichever you prefer. Here we go, repeating after me. May she be safe. May she be healthy. May she be happy. And may she live with ease. Last one. Beings. When we use the term beings, we are talking about all living beings or living things. So that is the environment, trees, the planet, etc. Please repeat after me. May all living things be safe. May all living things be healthy. May all living things be happy. And may all living things live with ease. If you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Maybe begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. As always, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.